I'm Gary McGoffin. I practice law here with Durio McGoffin, Stagg, and Ackerman. I've been practicing law for 40 short years. It's kind of remarkable. It doesn't seem like that long now. And guys that I knew who had practiced that long years ago, they seem to be much older than I am now. So it's nice. The good thing, though, is I still enjoy what I do. And that's not always the case for my peers, and I feel for them in that regard. But I like who I represent. I like the people that I work with. I like the type of work that I get to do. So I have no intention of retiring. In fact, I don't know what I would do if I did retire. Some of the same things I do now in terms of scouting and being involved with Council for Better Louisiana and other things, Chamber of Commerce. But primarily the practice lets me do what I want to do, and it gives me a space to do it in. Our firm has an interesting background. The two partners that I was with and I'm still practicing with that started the firm are Buzz Durio and Bill Stagg. I met both of those gentlemen when we were kids. We were on the Camp This Way summer camp staff. Bill in I think 67 and 68, Buzz in 69. And those summer camp experiences are wonderful. You really have a chance to make a good, lasting friendship. And in our case, it's turned out to be a lifelong friendship. I know I stood in Bill's wedding when he got married. My wife and I are godparents of one of Buzz's children. We've been practicing together since 1983 and have been in this location since 1985. So there's been a lot of continuity with what we do. I enjoy the people that I work with. I enjoy the people I practice with. I enjoy the clients I get to represent. If you want to be in Louisiana, you got to be in Louisiana, right? So to be able to have the ability, particularly at this point in time, because of the experiences I've had and the client base that we enjoy as a firm, and just being around for a long period of time, you get to be maybe more selective in the type of work that I do because the time that I have is important to me. And if I'm going to spend my personal time on it, even though it's in my professional capacity, I want it to be something worthwhile. And we've accomplished that here. I think Lafayette is particularly well suited for those goals because that's the type of community that we are. And our state supports that as well. So it's a great combination to be able to put all that together, to have that personal satisfaction on a professional basis. Lafayette has a very high level of practice. It's a very sophisticated community. We do more things than most people do, certainly in a community or a parish of our size. And we get into things that are challenging. And so you don't have to go to New Orleans or Houston or Atlanta or someplace else to get the professional gratification that you can here in Lafayette. When I say I enjoy coming to work in the morning, I truly enjoy walking in the door.